What's up, YouTube? What's up, boys? What's up, girls? The long-awaited product. This product I've been working on, it's been 4 years. This product makes your Toyota 4Runner's OEM head unit CarPlay. A lot of people don't want to change their head units, and I understand. I'm a kind of guy, I like OEM, but unfortunately our Toyota 4Runner units are like a disaster. Like, it's not there. The 4Runner is the best SUV ever, best truck. I love it. I can't imagine what Toyota did to not be up to par and follow the technology. Listen, there's a competitive product on the market for this, and it's 3 times the price. So as you know me, I'm a person that when I promise, I deliver. This makes your Toyota 4Runner OEM unit CarPlay, wireless and Wi-Fi capability. So we're gonna install, for you guys, I took out my OEM unit back. I wanna remove the T10 and make sure to install this and play with it, show you what it does. Plug and play, OEM harness, Wi-Fi antenna, and USB capable with front camera. So you have the ability to install another front camera. I don't need this. I don't have a front camera. One day maybe, if I have time. And let's go to the truck, remove the T10, install this. Unfortunately, my OEM, because I had it for a long time, since 2018, off the truck, it went into a loop, and I had to take it to the dealer to flash it for you guys. So apologies on the delay to post this video. So let's do this, guys. So guys, now we're in the truck. We're gonna remove the T10. It's easy. Check my other videos. I also have the removal of the panels, and then I have the install of the video. And basically we're gonna remove the T10 and then install this with the CarPlay. So I removed the both trims. Remove this. Personally, I like removing this and putting it on the side, but because I have installed thousands, I'm okay with it. Don't scratch it. It's easily scratched. The silver panel gets easily scratched. So we're gonna remove the T10 and then install the OEM. Okay, so this is the harness that comes with it. It's plug and play. There are different models for different trucks, and this is not only this product is not only Toyota 4Runner compatible, but also Corollas and other Toyotas, 460s, Lexus. So it's all compatible. I even have stuff for my Mustang. If you check my other videos, I have wireless CarPlay, same brand, same company, which is available under the video. All my videos have links to purchase under the description. At the description under the video, there are links with exclusive coupons. So I don't need to remind you that. Now, I plug this, and we're gonna plug the OEM harness, match everything from the truck to the harness. Don't work the other way around. This is what you need. This is where you have to match. And then there are settings. I'll talk about it later on. Those are dip sticks or dip switches. There are settings according to each brand or model. So you have to switch up or down. There's an OEM, there's a manual with it. So basically follow that manual. If you're Pioneer, for example, this unit, let me see what it is. So this is Panasonic. Okay, this is Panasonic. So if you check, because JBL is also compatible, if you check your unit is Fujitsu or Panasonic or whatever the brand, you need to switch the dip switches according to the brand. So let's talk about that later on. Let me install this right there and we'll see. Ladies and gents, it's done. Everything is installed. I just wanted to give you a heads up. This unit is heavy, so have in mind to tidy up all the wires in the back accordingly. Don't cringe anything. Don't forget to connect anything. This is the USB. I don't want, and again, don't forget to connect the GPS and the XM. Since this is the OEM unit, you won't touch your XM. You still have access to the XM. So I just wanted to give you an idea. So this unit right there, you see the dip switches? Those are the dip switches. It comes according to each vehicle you order. Usually this is the 4Runner, it's done. All of them are up. I mean, this is inverted if you want down, but it's in the owner's manual. So don't forget to connect all the wires. This thing is for the front camera. You need a ground if you install a front camera, obviously, and you need power. So those are for the camera, front camera. And some of the 4Runners 2010, you need to install an aftermarket camera. You can use that. So saying that, tidy up everything. And I want to show you what this does quickly. And then in another video, I'm going to be doing a deep dive to what this unit does. As you see, the wires are not tidied up well. So if they're not tidied up well, you will cringe the harness and it won't work. You will break it. So here's how, fine, stay there. Here's how you access to it. Once connected, everything is connected. You click the aux. Guys, there's an owner's manual. Everything is right there. You see the dip switch that I spoke to you about? It's right there. So basically, follow the dip switch settings. Fujitsu, Panasonic, all of them are off. Pioneer, off. And then there's the fifth one, it's on. So I don't need to go through the owner's manual. You guys have this. Here's the screen of what you will have. Once you set up, you go to aux. Let me just repeat. This is your OEM head unit. You go to audio, you go to aux, it's in the owner's manual, and you pair up your phone, either Bluetooth or CarPlay. It uses your OEM mic. So we're talking about the OEM mic. Let's do this. I'm gonna use my other phone to set it up quickly. And then again, guys, subscribe. The link is gonna be in the description. Where to purchase, how to purchase with exclusive coupons. At all times, all my videos have exclusive coupons. I'm gonna set it up for you quickly. So let's say I want CarPlay on my device. This is wireless and wired at the same time. Nothing extra is needed. So I go to my settings. If you have an OEM camera, by the way, that's a tip. If you have an OEM camera, you just go to car settings, and then you put the OE camera. If you don't do that, your rear camera won't work. It may be shipped at aftermarket camera. If you do that, you will get a white screen. So make sure that your OE camera is set in the settings. It's set to OE camera rather than aftermarket. So now setting up the device, you just go to Bluetooth. And I'm gonna set up a new phone. So you scroll down, other devices will pop up with the unit. It says passkey. So this popped up, car BT F4C3. You click on it, and let me try again. Bluetooth pops up. It may be connected to my other device. Oh, there you go. So you pair, allow, and now it's synced. So it says connected. Now if you want to do CarPlay, you click on CarPlay. It says use CarPlay. You click on use CarPlay on your phone. It's connected, and there you go. You have CarPlay. So guys, as easy as that, CarPlay on your OEM head unit for your Toyota 4Runners. You saw how easy it was. It has additional, way more than anything on the market. I don't want to give names. You can look how smooth it is. You can use, let me try to connect to Wi-Fi. Yeah, so once you connect, Wi-Fi network passcode is automatically set. It's 66668888. So 4 times 6, 4 times 8. And once this is connected, you don't need to do anything. I just go out of the truck. Let's say I'm going out. I turn it off. I went out, closed the door, came back in, turn on the truck, and everything is automatic. So it just starts. I mean, there's a setting for it, obviously. It starts, logs to the screen, that's the main factory, and then automatically connects your CarPlay or Android Auto. It is wireless. So as I said, in the settings, you can go to the settings and then change that instead of having it automatically connected. So if in the settings, smartphone, you can choose whatever you want. So bottom line, guys, I don't want to go into details. That's CarPlay to you. Now, this is connected via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi at the same time. That's why it has a Wi-Fi antenna. So if you have a front camera, for example, you click on this and then you can drive while your front camera is showing. So saying this, I will close the video on this. Subscribe. Make sure that you are, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed because there's a video coming in depth how to use this unit and enjoy having CarPlay, which Toyota failed to give us on 2014, or well, 2010 if you have the touchscreen and above. But this unit is 100% compatible with the 2014 till the 19. Obviously the 2020, I'm gonna set my phone on aside, and 2020 is basically has CarPlay. So guys, you can use just like a regular CarPlay. If you want to get out of this screen, for example, I click this, it goes out to the home screen. If I want to go back to the main screen of that unit, I click this, goes back to CarPlay. So let me know if what next you need. You're used to me now. If I set something to my mind, I will make it happen. It took me 4 years to do this, and I did it with the fraction of the price of what's available on the market. Don't let anybody tell you anything else. Made in US, made in every electronics are made in China. Don't let anybody convince you otherwise. This unit will be available through CarTrim Home and with exclusive coupons. So enjoy, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Next video is coming for the Mustang. There's another unit that is coming for the Mustang, and basically in-depth review and what it does, what this does. Thanks for the support, guys. I love you all. Peace out.